Can I deposit cash into my stash account? That's a great question, and one that many stash users have. In this video, we'll dive into the details of depositing cash into your stash account. We'll cover everything from the different methods available to the potential fees and limitations. Imagine you've just received a big windfall. Maybe it's a bonus, an inheritance, or a lucky lottery win. You want to invest that money wisely, but you're not sure how to do it. That's where stash can come in. But before you can start investing, you need to get your money into your stash account. Can I deposit cash directly into my stash account? Unfortunately, stash doesn't allow for direct cash deposits. This means you can't simply walk into a bank and deposit cash into your stash account. However, there are a few alternative methods you can use. Method 1. Bank transfer. The most common way to fund your stash account is through a bank transfer. This involves transferring money from your bank account to your stash account. To do this, you'll need to provide stash with your bank account information. How to transfer money from your bank to stash? Log into your stash account. Go to the deposit or funding section. Select bank transfer as your funding method. Enter your bank account information. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transfer. Note, bank transfers typically take a few business days to process. Method 2. Debit card. You can also fund your stash account using a debit card. This is a quick and easy way to get your money into your account. However, there may be fees associated with using a debit card. How to fund your stash account with a debit card? Log into your stash account. Go to the deposit or funding section. Select debit card as your funding method. Enter your debit card information. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction. Note, some banks may charge fees for using a debit card to fund an investment account. Method 3. ACH transfer. An ACH transfer is another way to fund your stash account. This is similar to a bank transfer, but it's typically faster. How to fund your stash account with an ACH transfer? Log into your stash account. Go to the deposit or funding section. Select ACH transfer as your funding method. Enter your bank account information. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transfer. Note, ACH transfers typically take a few business days to process. Fees and limitations. While Stash doesn't charge fees for depositing money into your account, your bank may charge fees for bank transfers, debit card transactions, or ACH transfers. It's important to check with your bank to see what fees may apply. There may also be limitations on the amount of money you can deposit into your stash account at once. These limitations can vary depending on your account type and other factors. So, can you deposit cash into your stash account? Not directly, but you can use alternative methods like bank transfers, debit cards, or ACH transfers. When choosing a funding method, consider the fees and limitations associated with each option. And remember, it's important to fund your stash account responsibly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.